Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today the video is all about how the deep cleaning of an AC will be done at your home. So watching this video will give you an complete information about how we should be very cautious, how the cleaning process will be happened at your home while the deep cleaning is performed. So you can see here, this is the part concept where we have to clean the evaporator coil very cleanly. Let us begin our video. So let us try to understand the multiple components in your AC. This is called as the evaporator coil, and here by using this jet spray the coil is pulled. Let us try to do the process step by step. First we should remove all the indoor unit components. This black colored one, what you are seeing is the damaged evaporator coil, and complete screws and bolts are unlocked, and you will be getting this skeleton view of the AC. And here you are going to have, this is an inverter AC, the board is available, and this coil is called evaporator coil, which is fully in the damaged condition. So after closing the gas valve, we should remove the complete indoor AC components like this. After removing the AC components, slowly you have to unscrew all the different parts of this indoor AC. After unscrewing, you can see the indoor components. So slowly you have to clean component by component, which will make your AC as perfect as how you bought 5 years back. So after removing the components, this is the skeleton view of the AC. Now slowly again we have to unscrew the evaporator screws, and you have to separate our evaporator screws. So as you can see, the technicians are slowly removing the screws of the evaporator coil, and you have to separate the evaporator coil as well as the blower, and you have to clean the evaporator coil separately. So in this deep cleaning you will get a perfect cleaning of the AC. Here you can see, here evaporator coil is removed, and now the blower is also removed step by step. Now we are going to clean our evaporator coil by applying an cleaning liquid. Okay, so now you can see here, the this is the complete evaporator coil which is full of dust. So we have to, yeah, and you have to see here lot of small chemical cleaning component for, especially for evaporator coil, is applied on this evaporator, and slowly the liquid is spread over the evaporator coil with the help of a brush. And this is not directly a concentrated one and diluted one, so you can get this liquid in the nearby market. And slowly you will be having two layers of this coil, so you have to apply on the outer side as well as you have to apply on the inner side, and you have to wait for at least some 5 to 10 minutes. So this is like cleaning your dishwasher with vim or something, the same process, but this is for evaporator coil. So after applying the liquid with the help of a brush, and just wait for some time, and we have to have an jet cleaning device. So with jet cleaning device you have to clean. Now you can see here the jet cleaning device. Okay, so this is called jet cleaning device, what will come with high jet speed. So this is how it is we're going to clean with the help of the jet wash. Okay, with the help of jet wash we are going to completely clean the oil. Okay, you see here the loss of dust is coming on, where I can say that this is called the deep cleaning, or this is called chemical. And perform like this, AC will work as before, how it was working at the new. Like this, at least for 5 years, we should go for the cleaning, which will enhance the life of our. So after cleaning from outside, we should clean from inside also. And clean from inside, we should just complete AC is in a healthy condition, away from all this algae and bacteria and viruses and infections in our skin. And we perform like this complete. And moreover, this is an UV based AC. So you can see here completely the coil is cleaned out. And now as this assembling to the blower session, where this is nothing but assembling of indoor session. So slowly on this blower we have to attach our evaporator coil. Okay, so this should be done with the help of technical person those who have a complete knowledge. If anything goes wrong, you have to, it's a waste of around 50,000 investment. The cost of this AC is around 56,000. So you should be very careful, and that should be done only under the supervision. Those who know about this cleaning of this AC. Slowly the AC is assembled, the indoor part, and the same one we are going to place it where we have been removed. So now you can see here all this AC is to be attached to the wall. Complete AC is attached to the wall, and now it is giving a good performance as it was working. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in another beautiful video.